Introducing the Clean Waste Go Anywhere Total System, your ultimate solution for outdoor bathroom needs. Whether you're camping in the mountains, attending a soccer game, or relaxing on the beach, this system provides a complete bathroom wherever you are, ensuring comfort and hygiene in any situation. The Go Anywhere Total System includes 3 essential components: the Go Anywhere Portable Toilet, the Go Anywhere Privacy Shelter, and a convenient transport backpack. The Go Anywhere Portable Toilet folds into the size of a briefcase, holds up to 500 pounds, and weighs just 7 pounds. It's designed for quick setup and easy use, ensuring you always have a sanitary and safe place to go. The Go Anywhere Privacy Shelter is an easy-to-set-up, versatile shelter that can be used as a bathroom, changing room, or shower. With windows for airflow, it sets up in under a minute, providing you with the privacy you need. The transport backpack is designed for comfort and ease, holding the toilet, shelter, and up to 20 WAG bag kits. It allows you to discreetly and conveniently carry your entire bathroom system wherever you go. Included in the system are 20 original WAG bag kits, ensuring you have all you need for waste disposal. Each kit contains an inner bag with odor-neutralizing powder, an outer bag for secure disposal, toilet paper, and a hand wipe. No matter where you are, when a restroom is out of reach, unsafe, or unsanitary, the Clean Waste Go Anywhere Total System ensures you are prepared. Embrace the freedom to explore the great outdoors with confidence, convenience, and peace of mind. The Go Anywhere Total System, your portable, private, and eco-friendly bathroom solution.